3 new iPhone 13s have arrived, and now comes the question of which one is going to be my personal iPhone. There's the product red, very nice. Pink, probably not for me. And black. So I think for me it's going to be between the product red and the black. And honestly, I like both of these very much, but I think I'm gonna go with the black for me. Hey guys, okay, so I just got in my new iPhone right here. I just picked out which one I wanted. I got 3 of them in, and the black one is definitely for me. So I've already transferred my stuff. Looks good. Everything just transferred over from the cloud perfectly, no problem. Very excited to see what this thing can do. I'm going to shoot the rest of this video with the iPhone 13. It's just the basic one, not the Pro. And so far, it is so nice. I really like it. And I'm going to let you guys see a little bit of the footage that it can get, just the iPhone alone. Also, I got myself this clear case to protect the phone, and I gotta tell you, this clear case is not bad at all. Let me put the phone in real quick. Trying to do this one-handed is a bit of a trick. The phone's going into settings there. Alright, case is on, no problem. As you can see, it's fairly reflective, which is kind of cool. Kind of gives it a higher reflective glow. It sits nicely in it. It's comfortable. I will leave a link to this particular one down below. And yeah, the autofocus is actually working for a change. And I'll let you know what I think of it. Also, I'm going to go out and shoot some footage. It is pretty windy today, so the sound quality may not be that great, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. Alright, let's see if we can do a shot here. Alright, cinematic, back-facing camera. I can already see the blur is pretty decent. Look at that. I'll have to see if I have to adjust that later, but that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna have to get used to that. Alright, into the sun, and not having any real problems. See how it transitions. So if you're gonna use a phone for vlogging, I don't know if the that is so distracting. That is super cool. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Everything's like fuzzy. Okay, let's turn around and walking this way. That is just cool. I like it. I like it. Mikey, I like it. Look at that. Oh, look at those. Nice. All right, let's see what the front camera looks like.